Hello children, we are going to learn something very interesting and very important.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have heard this song before, right? We already learned capital alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We are going to learn next alphabet. This is capital I alphabet. It sounds E. The sound of I is E. We have several words that starts with alphabet I. I for India. I for India. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for insect. I for insect. Let's revise it. I says E. I says E. I for India. I for India. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for insect. I for insect. Now you all have understood alphabet I. Let's move on to the next alphabet. This is capital Z alphabet. It sounds J. The sound of Z is J. We have several words that starts with alphabet Z. Z for jeep. Z for jeep. Z for joker. Z for joker. Z for jacket. Z for jacket. Z for jug. Z for jug. Z for jelly. Z for jelly. Let's revise it. Z says J. Z says J. Z for jeep. Z for jeep. Z for joker. Z for joker. Z for jacket. Z for jacket. Z for jug. Z for jug. Z for jelly. Z for jelly. Now you all have understood alphabet Z. So every day learn it. Stay home, stay safe.